Click on the link below to get price. The Compact LGR Commercial Dehumidifier is an impressive solution for those tackling high humidity environments. With a robust capacity of 85 AHAM 145 saturated pints per day, it effectively addresses moisture-related issues in large spaces such as basements, warehouses, and construction sites. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its efficiency and energy consumption. Despite its powerful performance, it operates with lower energy costs, making it an environmentally friendly option. The built-in humidistat allows for precise control, enabling users to set their desired humidity levels. This feature not only enhances comfort but also protects against mold growth and structural damage. The design of the Compact LGR is both practical and user-friendly. Its compact size makes it easy to move between different areas, while durable wheels enhance portability. The control panel is intuitive, with clear indicators and settings that make operation hassle-free, even for those who are not tech-savvy. The unit also includes a continuous drainage option, allowing for uninterrupted operation without the need for frequent emptying of the water tank. Performance-wise, the dehumidifier excels in removing moisture quickly and efficiently. Many users have reported noticeable improvements in air quality within just a few days of use. The low operational noise is another bonus, making it suitable for various environments where silence is essential, such as offices or living spaces. However, some users have pointed out that the initial investment may be higher compared to smaller units. Nonetheless, given its capacity and efficiency, the Compact LGR proves to be a worthy investment in the long run. Overall, the Compact LGR Commercial Dehumidifier stands out due to its impressive moisture removal capabilities, energy efficiency, and user-friendly design. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable humidity control in larger spaces.